2013 Ford F150 with the ecoboost 3.5 twin turbo engine. Today we're going to be doing the spark plugs. Let's get to it. For this job we're going to be using the Motorcraft spark plugs. There's our part number. Six spark plugs, of course. First step, go ahead and remove your oil cap. Give you enough space to lift off a little plastic engine cover. And I like to flip the engine cover upside down so I can use it as a tray for anything I need to put on it. Alright, on each side of the engine you're going to see 3 coil packs, 1, 2, and 3. They're held in with 8mm bolts. Switch over to the electric ratchet. Remove the 3 bolts. Press down on the little safety devices on these. You can then pinch the connector and pull it out. Make sure you put these down in a way that you'll know which one went where, so you can put them right back in the same cylinder, especially if you're chasing a misfire. That can be helpful. Now on this side, as you're pulling out what I'm assuming is either cylinder 1 or cylinder 2, right here in the front, you have this hose that is in the way. Now normally you can disconnect it right here and just twist it out of the way. Unfortunately, the little piece for removing it from the pipe is broken right here. I can still twist it. Oh, never mind, it's completely broken. So you can see right here, this is the little pin piece. It slides right in here. All you have to do is grab right here and pull that. You can see how that opens it up enough where you can wiggle that piping out of the way. I'm just gonna move this whole pipe out of the way. And then the third one, way back here, we're going to need to disconnect the high pressure fuel pump, and that's just a simple 2-prong connector. The only thing hard about it is that the squeeze pin is underneath of it, so you need to grab it like that and squeeze your squeeze pin right here. Next, we're going to get a 12-inch extension and a 5/8 socket. Slide it down the tube. Alright, and once all 3 spark plugs have been unscrewed, we're going to reach down here with a magnet. And pull out our old spark plugs. These actually don't look bad. Now when putting your new spark plug in, go ahead and place it in the spark plug tube and then use your index finger to guide it down. Don't just drop these in there, because you could end up closing your preset gap. The gap is what goes between the igniter here and the prong here. You need to keep that space exactly as it is. So make sure you don't drop them in there, because it'll hit that and you could close that gap, causing a misfire. And when we put these down, these do not need to go in too hard. These are aluminum heads. This electric ratchet I use is rated for about 35 foot-pounds. That's about where you want them. So just don't go crazy with them. Not that serious if they're a little over torqued, but definitely don't go cranking on here and pull your threads out of your head. That's pretty much it. Go ahead, grab your coil packs, put them back into place, put those 8mm bolts down, reconnect everything, and then do the same with the other side, of course. And you should be golden. This video helped you out, leave a like, don't forget to subscribe, and we'll catch you next time.